draw the scatter plot above using the graph paper here. So if we're going to use this graph paper here, we can come and say, okay, 4 goes with what? Agree, you'll assist me on that one. They said 4 goes with what? It goes with 260. So 4 is going to go with 260. So you come and shade here to say, which here you have 4 and 260. This is 4 and 260 again. And then after that, what do you have? 6. 6 goes with what? It goes with 280. So 280 and then 6, here it is. And then after that, what do you have? You have 10 again. Okay, 10 goes with what? 10 goes with 380. 26 goes with 820 again. Or the other one we have 800. So it's 26, that one. Okay, 26 goes with 800. Here. And then we're done. Okay, this is going to be our scatter plot again. And then for a scatter plot, as we said, which depending on how many dots did you get. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll say if you got 1 to 3 dots, we'll give you 1 mark. If you got 4 to 6, we'll give you 1 mark. And then if you got all the dots correct, then we're going to give you 3 marks for that one. And then we go to the next question. The next question says we should determine the equation of the least square regression line. So we're going to determine the equation of the least square regression line. Okay? Now, how do we determine the equation of the least square regression line? We go to our calculator. Okay? On our calculator, we're going to go to mode. Mode, we press stats. Okay? After pressing stats, again, now we're in grade 12. For us to get correlation, we're going to use this one of A plus BX. And then A plus BX is the one that we spoke about. Okay? So this is the correlation. And then after that, you put the X values. If you put the X values, you have 4 equals to, you have 6 equals to, you have 12 equals, oh, sorry, I have 10. 10 equals to, I have 12 equals to, I have 16 equals to 20 equals to 22 equals to 26 equals to. And then after that, you go to Y. You go with an arrow. And then you go to the top and then you go to Y. Y, you have 206 equals to 6 goes with 208 equals to. And then after that, you have 380 equals to. You have 420 equals to. 16 goes with 600. And then you have 20, which goes with 680 equals to. And then you have 22, which goes with 800. And then we have 26, which goes with 820. Okay, then we are done. Okay? And then it seems as if we have 8 sets of data. Okay? And then you can store your data. Now that your data is stored, and then my calculator is already on fixed rounding off to 2 decimal places. And then they say which I should determine the least square regression line. The least square regression line, we said, which it can be defined by the following. It says which Y is going to be equal to A plus BX, something like this. Right? Yes. And then now we're going to tell them which one is A first. Let's go and check. We say shift and then we press 1 again. And then we go to option number 5, which is red. And then we press A equals to. It says our A is going to be 118,60, like this. And then we go to B. What is our B? Okay, we go again and then we say which we have shift 1 again. And then we go to rec and then we press 2 equals to again. It gives us what? 28,87. 37. 28,37. Okay, you get 1 mark for this one, 1 mark for this one. And then you go and substitute to say Y is going to be equal to 118,60 plus 28,37x. And then you get another mark there. This is the equation of the least square regression line. And then we say which we are going to calculate the correlation coefficient. Now, where do we get our correlation coefficient? Now, correlation coefficient, we're also going to get it there with rec. So we're going to say here shift, and then we press 1 again. And then we press 1, we go to rec. And then we look for R. Do you see R again? Our R is option number 3 again. And then we come and check which one is going to be this R. We press 3 equals to again. And then it says which one we have. So it says which our R is going to be equal to 0.9. It's almost perfect. Can you see that one again? Almost perfect. So when we come and check here, we'll come and check on our table, and then we say, okay, but now this thing here can either be positive or negative. Okay? So what is it here? Is it positive or negative? So we come and tell them, which, okay, we have a positive. It's positive. Now, because it's positive, it can either be weak, moderate, or strong. What are you going to say? This one here is going to be what you read? This is going to be strong. So it's positive and what and strong. So here's an activity then. We're going to come and do the following as an activity now. Activity number 2.